So after you've lodged the complaint, within 2 hours or within 4 or 5 hours, normally within working periods, you want to check to see if they have replied, if there is any feedback. So assuming you had issue with your password, you had some other issues that you lodged the complaint. So this is how you can see if they've given you feedback. So you clicked on the link again, and then you scroll down, you go to complaints app, you click on that. When you click on the complaints app, it loads and brings you here. So when it come here, this time around, you click on check if my complaints is resolved. Because at first you selected click here to lodge a complaint. Now you want to find out if your complaints has been resolved. So you just click on this. Then they ask for your staff ID, so you put in a staff ID there. Then you tap on proceed. Then it opens and load this for you. So if you see this, what you need to do is that you come and view complaints, view comment. You come and view comment. So you see the first complaint was that I can't log in with the same email and password that I used in the registration. Then the person came to clarify that I tried to log in with my credentials, but it said invalid. It is the same email and password I use in registering. So let's view and see the feedback that was given by the team. So when you tap on view, this is the person who responded. He said, Mr. To enable you continue with the process, your password has been reset. Your email address is, then they put the email address. Your new password is this. Okay, so if you've forgotten your password, they will change it for you and give you the new password. So once you see this, you can just post a reply and just thank them. Thank you for the good work. Or sometimes it's not necessary because that might impede them. So this is it. That is how you check to see if the issue is resolved. If it's resolved, then you are good to go. If there is anything that they want you to do, they'll write it there and tell you exactly what you need to do. So thank you so much and stay blessed.